There are many reasons why having a high-quality cabin air filter is important. Not only does it affect the air that you are breathing every time you drive your vehicle, but making sure you change the air filter at regular intervals ensures optimal performance for your heating and air conditioning system. Plus, this keeps critical components in the ventilation system from failing due to a clogged filter.
For most vehicles, the filter is pretty easy to change. You can have a professional do it when you get your vehicle serviced, or you can do it yourself at home. Most cabin air filters take less than 20 minutes to change. Whether you're an active DIY auto enthusiast or a mom making sure your kids get to where they need to be, having a clean and effective cabin air filter is an easy thing you can take care of yourself.
Today we have a 2018 Chevy Malibu. The cabin air filter for this vehicle is stored in the glove box, like many other vehicles on the road. Bosch recommends changing your HEPA cabin air filter every 12,000 miles, but check your vehicle's owner's manual to be sure what best suits your vehicle.
The first thing you're going to do is open the glove box. You will see an arm here that you need to unhook. Once you do that, you will push in the glove box to release the stops. Here you will see the housing for the cabin air filter, which you will unclip. Pay attention to the arrows and which direction the airflow is facing. From there, remove the old cabin air filter and clean out any debris you see in the compartment. Next, take your new Bosch HEPA cabin air filter and reinsert it back into the housing unit with the arrows facing the same way as before. Close the housing door and reinstall the glove box and arm you had hooked at the beginning.
A helpful tip is to cut off the top of the filter box that has the part number on it and write what your current mileage is plus 12,000 miles, or what your vehicle manufacturer recommends, and store it in your glove box. This is an easy way to make sure you are changing your filter regularly and you know exactly what part number you need.
Bosch HEPA cabin air filters are the ultimate solution for maintaining clean and healthy air in your vehicle. By choosing Bosch HEPA cabin air filters, you can effectively capture and prevent harmful particles from entering your vehicle's cabin.